After I learned how to make it, I stopped buying it from the grocery store. Start by cutting 1 yellow pepper, previously washed. First cut into strips, then chop into small dices, and set aside. Next, cut 1 green pepper the same way. First into strips, then into small dices. Also cut 1 red pepper, first into strips, then into small dices, and set all the ingredients aside. Next, cut 8 garlic cloves. Cut into slices, then into strips, and finally, into small dices, just like I'm doing here. Finally, cut 1 medium red onion. Cut in half, then into strips, and into small dices. Once you've prepared all these ingredients, into a large bowl, add all the red pepper, the green pepper, the yellow pepper, all the red onion, parsley to taste, the chopped garlic cloves, and for seasoning, add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, a generous pinch of black pepper. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. And mix very well until the spices incorporate into all the ingredients. Have you downloaded That Recipe app on your phone yet? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all of our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. I'll leave the app link for download here in the comments section. Go ahead and download it right now. Next, transfer all the ingredients to a nice jar. If you made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Finally, fill the jar with extra virgin olive oil. Close it and let it rest for 24 hours to add more flavor to it. That recipe is ready. You may now serve with your lunch or dinner and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.